How to link your GSave to the CIMB Bank PH app. Cash in for the first time to your GSave account. Once done, you will receive a temporary username and password. Download and open the CIMB Bank PH app. Step 1. Tap on Link your GSave account on the login page. Step 2. Enter your temporary username and password sent to you via SMS when you first cashed in to your GSave account. Remember, your username should be your registered phone number without the 0. Step 3. Create your desired username and password and complete the required information. Make sure your password meets the minimum criteria and is not easy to guess. You will use the username and password the next time you log in to the CIMB Bank PH app. Step 4. Key in the 6-digit one-time password or OTP that was sent to your mobile number through SMS. Step 5. Check your email for the verification email sent to you. Once you receive it, tap on the verification link to verify your email address. Step 6. Set up your mobile PIN or MPIN. Just enter your desired 6-digit number. Your MPIN is used to authenticate fund transfers and bill payments on the CIMB Bank PH app as an added layer of security. Do not share your MPIN to anyone. Congratulations! You can now manage your GSave account and explore other banking products and features through the CIMB Bank PH app. Already cashed into your GSave but don't have your temporary credentials? Don't worry. Open your CIMB Bank PH app and tap on Link My GSave account. Select I don't have temporary login credentials. Tap on Set up my password to update your password to proceed. Next, key in the email address that you used to register your GSave account. You will receive a security code sent to your registered email. Enter the security code and create your new password. You will use this password to log into the CIMB Bank PH app after this. Key in the one-time password or OTP sent to your registered number through SMS to set up your new password. After creating your password, enter your registered mobile number without the 0 and the new password you just created. Create your own username and complete the required information. Once done, wait for your verification email and click on the link to verify your email address. Don't forget to set up your MPIN as an added layer of security when processing transactions with your GSave account. Get access to your savings wherever, whenever you need to. Link your GSave to the CIMB Bank PH app now.